good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day 2 of National Rubber Conference 2024. Hope you had a fantastic evening yesterday and are all ready and refreshed for yet another day of NRC 2024. So, a very good morning, everyone. Good morning. Wonderful. So yesterday we had some amazing sessions, very insightful and informative panel discussions, and we are yet ready for another day now. So we are about to start with the technical session number 4. And before I invite the session chairperson, Dr. Amit Chakrabarti, to preside over this session, I would like to say a few words about him. Money. Can we have a big round of applause for him for this beautiful presentation? So ladies and gentlemen, now as we come to the end of our conference, National Rubber Conference 2024, it's been a huge success. Let's put our hands together once, everyone. It is time for me to say thanks to everyone who has made this event possible. And now is the time to felicitate the people who have put such immense amount of hard work, vision, planning, dedication, and whatnot. Time to felicitate the organizing committee. Please put your hands together for the organizing committee members. And we would like to, first of all, felicitate the chairman, IRIA Northern Region, Mr. Mukesh Kakkar. And to do the honor for him, may I invite on stage Mr. Sanjeet Sarkar. A big round of applause, everyone. And now we are moving forward to our last technical session. So can we all put our hands together? We have come so far. Yes? So for the technical session number 6, before I invite our session chairperson, Mr. Amardeep Singh on stage, I would like to say a few words about him. Mr. Amardeep Singh is a postgraduate in chemistry and holds a PG diploma in International Business Administration. He started his career with Asian Paints 30 years back and served at various positions with multinationals like ICI, Johnson Matthey, Brenntag and SABIC. Having handled a diverse range of bulk commodity and specialty chemicals, polymers and elastometers for various industrial applications, he has a quite industry experience. He has a unique industry experience and knowledge. During his tenure with his previous organizations, he has introduced many new products in the domestic and overseas market. His association with rubber industry started in 2007 when he introduced few new suppliers for rubber chemicals and silica in the Indian market. With proven track record of successfully setting up and managing marketing operations, he joined Indian Synthetic Rubber Private Limited in 2013 and has been instrumental in establishing the marketing operation for SBR sales. Mr. Singh is presently heading the sales and marketing function at Indian Synthetic Rubber Private Limited. Let's welcome Mr. Amardeep Singh with a big round of applause. He is going to be the chairperson for this technical session. Mr. Singh, you can preside over the session. Over to you.
Thank you.
Now is the time for us to begin the technical session number 5. Now, before I invite the session chairperson, Dr. Shailendra S. Solanki, to come and preside over the session, I would like to introduce him a little. Dr. Shailendra S. Solanki is a polymer chemist and specialized in rubber chemistry. He is responsible for rubber compounds development, material qualification, and product validation. He joined Imperial Auto since August 2013. Presently, he is working as Head R&D and Head Manufacturing Engineering ME for Rubber Division at IAI-R&D Center at Faridabad, Haryana, India. IAI-R&D Center is the state-of-the-art R&D for materials development, product validation, engineering design, and application development. Dr. Solanki has a proven track record of driving company growth by developing innovative product solutions to understand customer unmet needs to offer right product and improve quality of products for our customers globally. expertise in specialty polymers for fluid transmission system products, managing and implementing plans towards new solutions, validation and services as per regulatory guidelines, successfully managed multiple R&D projects entailing new product development and troubleshooting. Dr. Solanki has 23 years of experience, including 5.5 years in PhD in basic research, product R&D, rubbers and material science, both in industry and in academia. Dr. Solanki, Senior Research Fellow from CSIR. He was awarded the PhD Polymer Chemistry from National Chemical Laboratory in 2003. After PhD, he got R&D training on fluoroelastometer at DuPont, Shanghai, China in April 2007 with excellent award. Also secured top 10%. So can we all put our hands together for our session chairperson, Dr. Shailendra S. Solanki. So please preside over the session.
Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. So today...
Thank you very much for this wonderful session. Now I would like to request the session chairperson, Dr. Shailendra S. Solanki, to please present the memento to our speaker, Dr. Amit Chakrabarti. Can we hear a big round of applause for him?
Please to give a memento to our MC, Ms. Kalpana Mishra. Thank you so much, Kalpana.
Thank you, Anshul, for having me. Thank you, the entire team of IRIA. Thank you very much.